Today we're going to teach you how to perform the Codman exercise properly. After your surgery, you may have been instructed to perform this exercise at home. It's important for you to do this correctly to keep your shoulder safe and to get the most benefit from the exercise. The key is to let your arm hang limp like a noodle. We do not want you to activate your shoulder muscles while they're healing. This is very important. First, find a table or countertop or something you can safely put your non-operative arm on for stabilization. Then let your operative arm dangle limp toward the floor. The more you bend at your hips, the more flexion you'll get at the shoulder. This exercise involves swinging your hips in a circular motion to get passive movement at your shoulder. Keep your arm dangling like a limp noodle to avoid activating your shoulder muscles. Use your body momentum from your hips to get the shoulder to move. Perform this exercise for about 30 seconds and then stand up to take a rest. Repeat for another 30 seconds. This should be done several times throughout the day to keep your shoulder joint moving.